Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to connect N8N to Elevenlabs. You can see a lot of tutorials show you to connect to HTML or some very complicated API setup. So today's video, I will show you my easiest way to connect N8N to Elevenlabs. Okay, first of all, I will add a checker manually from here. Okay, the second one, when you search for Elevenlabs, it should have Elevenlabs right here, but this is an external extension. You need to install the extension before you can use. So I will install the extension. Okay, you can see here the package installed. You can go to the Manage tab and you can see right here there is Community Nodes, Elevenlabs, and then Node Elevenlabs v0.2.2. Now you can search for Elevenlabs and you click this one. You can see you have a lot of action right here like get a voice, get many voice, create a voice, or convert text to speech, or transcript audio, or change the voice. In today's video, I will use the action convert text to speech. You can see here you need to connect a credential to N8N. So if you don't have any credential yet, you need to create a new credential. Okay, it's asked you to enter Elevenlabs API key. Now you need to go to your Elevenlabs account. You can see this one have an option called API key. You click this one. You can see I don't have any API key yet, so I will create an API key. I will set the name of it. We have the restrict option right here. I just turn this one off. You need to remember that unrestricted API can be very harmful, so you need to keep this API key in a safe place. Don't share with anyone. Now you can copy this API key to clipboard. Okay. Now I will come back to N8N and paste the API key that I copied from Elevenlabs, and I will click Save. You can see here the connection test successfully. Now I can close this window. You can see here the credential to connect with is Elevenlabs account. Now I can fill in some information right here. The resource is speech. The operation is text to speech. I can choose a voice right here. I will choose, let me see, I will choose Andrew right here. Okay, now you can add a test that you want. I will try out something. Okay, there is my sample test. Now you can execute step. You can see here the Elevenlabs return the data is MP3. Now I can download this one and give it a try.
Please like and subscribe for Colin Tech Hub.
As you see, I finally connect end-to-end to Elevenlabs. That's all my videos. It is the easiest way to connect end-to-end to Elevenlabs. If my videos was helpful, please give me a like and a subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.